scare you details of a fresh showdown that is brewing between the Aam Aadmi Party and Swati Maliwal as a furor over Swati Maliwal assault case is refusing to die down. Now, this storm has been triggered by the latest post that has come in from Sunita Kejriwal, where she has posted an image on the social media of Bibhav Kumar, who has now, remember, moved out after being granted bail by the Supreme Court. And she writes on the post, quote unquote, "Sukoon bhare din." She's expressing clearly her happiness. Condemning that post, Swati Maliwal also took to the social media to call out that patronage to her alleged assaulter. She is slamming Sunita Kejriwal, and she claims that the Chief Minister's wife was there when she was assaulted in Sheesh Mahal, and that now Sunita Kejriwal is relieved that the man who assaulted her has got bail and he's out. She's also slammed the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that the message is clear: assault women, then use trolls against the victim to ruin her, and the party will hire country's most expensive lawyers to defend the assaulter in court. She also goes on to warn that God is watching and that justice will be done. Now, do remember, the post by Sunita Kejriwal is coming a day after Swati Maliwal posted Draupadi Chirharan post in reaction to Bibhav Kumar's bail. After Sunita Kejriwal put out the picture with Bibhav Kumar, the BJP called out the Aam Aadmi Party, accusing them of trivializing crimes against women, saying that the Aam Aadmi Party is an anti-women party.
जिस प्रकार से सुनीता केजरीवाल का ट्वीट आया, ऐसा लगता है कि उनको तो विभव कुमार के कृत्यों पर गर्व है, उन्हीं कृत्यों पर जिस पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि ये गुंडों की तरह घुस गया। किस प्रकार के व्यक्ति को सीएम ने अपने रेसिडेंस में आने की और ऑफिस में रखने की परमिशन दी थी। मतलब कि सुनीता केजरीवाल जी ये बता रही है कि जो पिटाई हुई स्वाति मालीवाल की, वो कहीं ना कहीं केजरीवाल जी के और उनके इशारे पे ही हुई होगी। इसीलिए बेटी को न्याय दिलाओ नहीं, स्वाति मालीवाल के साथ नहीं, बल्कि उसके अपराधी के साथ खड़े, जिसके बारे में कोर्ट ने भी तल्ख टिप्पणियां की, कोर्ट ने बेल दी है, कोई दोष मुक्त नहीं।
And defending Sunita Kejriwal's post, the Aam Aadmi Party has cited the Supreme Court order, saying that there is nothing wrong with that post.
ये न्यायपालिका है, न्यायपालिका से उन्हें बेल मिली है और न्यायपालिका जो भी निर्णय लेगी वो सबको मान्य होता है। नहीं, स्वाति मालिवाल के बारे में मैं नहीं बोलना चाहता। हमारी आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी की धर्मपत्नी सुनीता केजरीवाल जी हैं, उन्होंने अपने किस तरह से भाव व्यक्त किया है उस बारे में मैं क्या कह सकता हूँ। आप मेरे उचित होगा कि आप सुनीता केजरीवाल जी से इस बारे में पता करें।
We also have Rishabh, who's joining us on the phone line, and he has more details to this. Rishabh, is there any response that we've heard from Sunita Kejriwal herself? Because time and again, remember, she's been called out by Swati Maliwal, and today she's made that revelation by saying that Sunita was present there when this entire alleged assault took place.
Well, definitely, the way Sunita Kejriwal has now tweeted a photo of Bibhav Kumar, who had just been granted bail by the Apex Court, the words that have been used with the photograph has created a whole war of words in the political sphere, be it BJP, be it women activists. All of them have come in public and have criticized what Sunita Kejriwal has tweeted. Apart from that, there have been a number of times when Swati Maliwal has also called out Sunita Kejriwal that she was there, and many say that it was on her behest that whatever Bibhav did, he did. As of now, what we are given to understand that Swati Maliwal has not reacted to this tweet, but will wait for official reaction from her. But yes, definitely, this whole has rigged, political parties and political leaders, and BJP has now started saying that from Kolkata to Kerala to now even in Delhi, the whole India alliance is anti-women.